Hello, this is Michael, and today I'm going to be talking about the camera and tripod I used in the ZoomX distance camera video, which I will link on screen. And I wanted to talk about this because I had a lot of difficulties with this camera, so I just wanted to make a short video covering them so that if you are trying to get a distance camera for your magnifier or CCTV, you at least know not to get this one. So this one was very generic from the supplier AHD Camera. Apparently AHD stands for something and that's not actually a brand name. So I've only been able to find this exact model on eBay when I was trying to find a link for you guys. And what I did not like about this was that the one port to connect it is a USB-C, and as you can see here, it's kind of recessed. So a lot of my USB-C cables would not work with this because the recession would keep the plug from going all the way in. So this was the only one I was able to get to work at all. And even then, you can see I can jiggle that. It was not a very secure fit. So if you are looking, do not get this one. Other than the port being recessed, it was plug and play, but I feel like any other camera would be plug and play with these magnifiers or CCTVs. So I did not like that one. But what I did like was this Photo Pro tripod, which was also provided by the supplier. And what I liked was it folds up really small. These legs go to a pre-position. They are rubber, so you can bend these pretty much any position you need. And it has a level on the top here. So you can, even if you need it leveled real good, you can level it. And then it also came with this camera ball holder thing. So if that was just screw into the tripod, and that was it. And then this moves and you can really position this any way you want. I'll include a link to this in the description. But I was a big fan of the tripod, did not like this camera. Thank you, and like and subscribe down below. And as always, I'll include links to these in the description.